My coffee review, pretty good. 10 out of a good coffee bean. Would definitely anally insert again. Okay. So, these are just some default status updates thingies to find out if, like, how am I even doing? Because if you can't read and you apparently don't know what reading is or something, then, you know, this will be pretty good. Okay. Well, I suppose we'd have to do... Okay, this will have to be included in the missions until I, you know, figure out or convert it into the into a method so that I can easily do it. So I can easily just, you know, call it whenever it needs to be called, and then not fucking call it. Okay, so actually this will be okay. Regret everything now. Oh my god. Could I not just, you know, do this and then insert? There you go. So let's check that. Oh shit. I awaken in a dragon, don't tell if you're on the person. And do not notice any particular items on your person. Okay. Let us have another line. Wonder where this will go though. Okay. Okay. Well, I don't know how to do this. Like, I wanted to do like a, oh well, actually, okay. Your fists bloody from the fight you put up, and your ribs broken and bruised. I think that's right. From when they took you down. It appears they did not enjoy the rebellion as much as you Okay, story unfolding. I still don't quite know what it is, but no, it'll be good. So you awaken in a darkened dungeon cell. Feeling around, you don't notice any particular items on your person. Your fists bloody from the fight you put up, and your ribs are broken and bruised from when they took you down. It appears they did not enjoy the rebellion as much as you did, and you are sure to end up paying the price. So needing to oh well, okay, actually the need to find your way out increases when you hear the footsteps of the prison. Yeah, well, actually, in the distance. So the need to find your way out increases when you hear the footsteps in the distance. Actually, it should just be when you hear footsteps in the distance. Might be the rescue, or maybe a prison warden. Okay, so now it will have a couple of options for the player. Okay, so the player is faced with a decision to make, and the decision is: do you stay in the hopes that whoever is coming might be a potential savior, or do you frantically try to find your way out in the assumption that this must be a prison guard? Like, what do? Okay. And okay, so let's set the cursor position. Okay, should we just test how this looks? Because I haven't. Fucking damn it. Me too. Okay, here we go. Oh god. Oh, okay. Oh. So actually, okay. I thought I was being really clever when I, split it into a couple of lines, because I was like, yeah, I'm gonna need that for the future. The future. It's like here and now. But it turned out I was just really stupid. Okay, I feel like I've just zoomed in massively. Because it turns out it will literally split the lines for me, which is something that I completely forgot it does. Wait, did I just copy it like twice? Yeah, I did. Oh god, well, that's what you get. Okay. You get what you pay for in this series and this show, and you pay nothing, and guess what you're gonna get? Free entertainment. That's what I was going for. What did you just say, hater? Yeah, he called you out on it. I'm not gonna stand here and take that, am I? No. Well, that looks good. Well. Kind of. Well, I think I mean, thank you, software, for doing this for me, but I think I'll be good. I think I'll be good doing this. Okay. Okay, nice. Nice. And then it will do like a, there it is, right line. So it'll be like, wait, and then parentheses, hope for a savior. It's not how you fucking spell it, is it? Maybe just I spell it really poorly and then go back and fix it. Let's check it. I can just check it. I don't give a fuck. I ain't giving no fucks. Oh, it is. Oh my god, I'm a genius. Like, why am I not a teacher? I do not know. Tell me this now. And do I think I -2, so the height divided by 2 and then -2, so if I, or -3, and then if I do that, then, you know, potentially we go down. Let's check. Yeah. Okay. So actually, I would like it to be not -5. Thank you. Actually, I would like it to be -5. Can I get a -10? Because it looks kind of dead square center in the middle. Not really in the middle. Oh, there you go. That looks really good. Run. Escape. Potential. Potential 1. Right. And then we'll do the current command, because we'll need to know. I mean, the truth must come out, and it sure as fuck will. Okay, so first quest, here we fucking go. Okay. Oh, that's good. So what if I just, you know, not type in the thing that it wants to hear? It's just like, hey, try again, idiot. Like, you know, it hurts when you call me that. It does hurt. Wait, why do I... Command option default. And it also has a read line in there. I guess that's to go back. Don't know. But it shouldn't. No, should it? Okay. So for this, let's say if current command equals run, it will do something, and okay, let's see, if the current command equals wait. So the two things that the player can do, run and wait. It's pretty simple, this first quest, and it should be that way. You know, keep it simple in the beginning, and then, you know, we can max out the difficulty when we get further into the game, and we will make it more complex as well. So the wait, like, should it actually be potential danger? I don't actually know. Oh, you know what we could do? We could do like a dice roll. You know, just a dice roll. Be like 1 and 2, so 50-50. And in case it's a warden, well, you're fucking killed. It's like, you're ripped. You're rip. Okay? Rip and piss. I think we should do that. That'd be pretty cool. That'd be pretty fucking dope. So let's... So random. Random. You'll call dice roll be equal to a new random. Kind of lacking something, aren't I? Yeah, I think that would do it. And then So we can... Wait, how did I do it? Because we've just save. Like open the... see the rogue game. Let's see, I had a lot of dice rolls here. Let's see, did I even have? Yeah, I had that. And then how did I call the random? Because I always forget this. Let's see. Move left, right. That's not the randoms. It's definitely not the randoms. Oh, there you go. Okay, so you'd have to put it into... Yeah. Okay, I remember. I remember now. Okay. Yep. Okay, great. So we will take this... actually... and... Wait, where is it? Again? There it is. Okay. So in case... in the case that you wait... You're like, no, I am not gonna run and hide because it might be a savior. Well, it might be. Okay, you don't know. The people who run are never gonna find out. But the people who wait, they are. So, we'll declare a new int, call it dice rolled will be equal to dice roll. Next, and then in the 1, 2, 3, which will give us a usable 1 and 2. 3 is not included, and so we can test that. So, oh damn. Okay, there you go. So if dice rolled is 1. And if dice rolled was 2. Okay. So in case it was 1, no one of them are more likely to happen than the other. But, you know, it's based on... Actually, what I was told is that the computer can't generate a random. Can't take nothing and then give you something. So it has to take, you know, a default value for something and then generate a random from that by, you know, weird math. And so it takes, you know, time of day on the clock, and it then generates a random from that. So somehow those two are correlated. I have no clue. Like, I don't know. So, if dice rolled is 1, it will be a savior. So, then do like a console clear, and we will take this again. This position is pretty good. And again, this is when the player is actually saved by someone. So this will be a completely different storyline. So we have like 3 branches, but the one is not very long. The other is going to be far, but not too long, and the third is going to be the rest of the game. So at some point they are going to join. So in case it was a savior, let's say that they escape together and they get out the front doors of the castle. The savior is then shot by like an arrow, and in case you run, you will do everything that happened, but you'll do it all by yourself, and you won't get the story elements that comes from the savior. Okay. So it was a savior, so it goes the footsteps have come to a full stop, and a almost silent inaudible sound is made from the right corner of the room. Okay. Okay. And then it goes. Okay. So it's like, psst, and then, you know, you have to Okay, so you pick up the lit candle in a barrel next to you and hold it forward to try lighting up this dark dungeon. But as if the light was swallowed by the darkness, it goes nowhere. Okay, so you can't do shit. Okay, so the voice is again heard, and it goes. It goes like. It goes like, I see you in there. And then you should be given a choice. Again. Because I think that's important in this case. Like, you have the option to yeah, you have the option to run, so we should actually move this down. So you get the option to run. So it should be like run to escape, and then hope for the best. So you can wait and hope for the best, or you can escape potential danger, and then you're given a choice. And if the current command then is to wait, it'll. Why is there an error? Okay, gone. It's gone again. So it should do like a console clear, and then it should continue. So in case you've waited again, even though the mildly creepy I see you in there. You know, you pretty much deserve to get rescued at this point. So the footsteps. Okay, so it's like the footsteps come towards you, and as if no time has passed, a face is against the bars of your cellar. So he's like right up in your fucking face. So you hold the candle. Oh, you know what? Let's be inclusive, okay? So the face is up against your cellar, and you. So then it goes. You hold the candle towards the face, and a female face is seen. Okay. Okay, so a female face is seen. Okay, so it's like you see the female, and she goes, "Do not make a noise. I'm here to help you escape, but I think I was followed down here." And this right there, that's very important, because that will soon, after a little more conversation, will lead us into the first combat of the game. So pretty sick. And in case you tried, let's not do that. Actually, okay, let's finish this one instance here, till like when they all should join, and they should all join at like, hey Jaden, they should all like join. All these different paths should come together at the gates of this cellar. Or not, at this dungeon that you're being kept in. Okay. I think that's important. So, you've waited, and she's here to help you escape. Let's see if it actually works. This was wait twice, and then it was hope for the fucking best. Okay, apparently it's a good game. 10 out of 10. We'll play again. 10 out of 10. We're playing.